turn off my fan real quick. Okay. Hey everyone, it's Maya. Welcome back to Hamster Slime. I'm sorry I haven't done a video in a while. It's just I've been sick for the last 2 days and I didn't really feel good. And today I'm still sick, but I'm feeling a little bit better. Okay, so today we're doing an updated slime collection. My slime collection has grew very much. Don't mind me coughing. I'll mute all my coughing out, but let's go. First, we have a fluffy, a bubblegum slime. Let me put it back in the camera so you guys can see it. I love this bubblegum slime very much. It's like bay. It can make bubbles if you just do this. Wait a second. Let me make a bubble off camera. Look, still on camera. What am I even saying? I don't even know what I'm saying. Okay. There's a bubble. See? Bubble. Okay. That's it for my fluffy bubblegum slime. Okay, so next we have a slime that I added a lot of glitter, so it's kind of like a fail slime. Prepare to be disgusted. Let me show you. Yes, I know, it is so glittery and so ugly. How can glitter make stuff ugly? I know that I'm doing it really bad, you seem really bad, but okay, that's all we have for there. Okay, God, that was really bad. Okay, let me just get out this now. This is a container. You can't see all of it. That's okay, because I'm just gonna get out one at a time. Okay, so first I have these 2 failed ones. It looks so cool, and I have another one just the same as that. There's a green one. I made these slimes with crazy art glue, by the way. So sorry if it's really bad. Okay. Then we have orange one. Okay, next we have a green one. It used to be really pretty mint green, but now it mixed in with black. So the voice is out now. Okay, back on. Okay, so it's super watery and jiggly. So look at my jiggly slime. It was prettier before it mixed in with black. So this is kind of like a fail container. But that's okay, because I still love all my slimes just the same. I'm going to show you guys my favorite slime ever. This is my favorite besides the bubblegum slime. I love this. If this was just bigger, it would be like a dream come true. I made this with nasal spray and borax. And I just didn't change the color of it because I like it just the same. And now I'm going to be doing some ASMR. Then we have a fluffy cherry slime. I call it that. Okay. Okay. So now we have to put on the other side box. This is where almost all my phones are at. This is a giant butter slime. This is so hard. I once added lotion to it and it was way better, but now it's hard again. I need to add more lotion to this, but when I do, I'll show you guys in another video. My next video is going to be a room tour, and yeah. Because I just made over my room, and you can see that in my, yeah, I have really a lot of videos to publish. Okay, this one is a foam. I got all these foam beads out of a, airplane, those airplane pillows. yeah, or beanbag chairs, or beanbags, whatever, they will have a lot of these tiny little foamy beads in here and stuff, and it will annoy the crap out of your parents. But yeah, that's what it did to me. I mean, that's what it did to my parents. And yeah, can't really do ASMR with them because they're foam. Okay, and then let's just get like a little tiny bit of slime that raised to the bottom. It's really like that. I mean, this was crazier glue too. Let me look at close up. Focus on the slime. What? Okay. Then we have a popcorn slime. I'm just gonna zoom right through these foams, these floams. Then we have a grass slime. God, this is so hard. Okay. This is like my flow that amazed my parents. They was like, oh my god, that feels so good. Okay. My sisters? I'm not gonna show my sister's slimes in the house because I don't want to embarrass her because I'm gonna be saying a lot of bad things about her slimes. So yeah, she likes it. She likes to make people with her slime. Okay, blue slime. Okay, now we will go on to the big slime collection where it all happens. The slime that got updated vigorously. I'm gonna start off by this one. This one is a super cool slime. I'm just gonna zoom right through these things. This is slime. So cool. And I mixed them together. I call it my ocean blue slime. This one, I think I don't even know what I did to this one. What did I ever do to this one? Oh yeah, I added a bunch of glitter to it. I want super sparkly. Okay. This one I mixed together the colors. I know, I need to stop doing that. Okay, these is my Galaxy Avalanche. This is my grape slime. This one, oh god, that was like really bad. Okay. This one is a good slime. This one is a slime I made with fabric glue. I know, fabric glue, am I right? Please don't be 10 minutes. I'm gonna try to zoom right through this stuff. So it's gonna be exactly at 10. Oh my god, this one is a pink slime. It's my darker pink. Oh my god, popcorn slime. No! And hot pink slime. Bye guys, subscribe, like, and comment your favorite slime to make. Bye bye!